Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Salman Al Hassan. Today I will talk about something. Your mindset shapes your reality. Positive thinking leads to positive outcomes. A negative mindset creates obstacles. What you believe affects your actions. Changing your mindset changes your life. A creative and energetic mindset creates new opportunities. Your attitude towards problems helps find solutions. A confident mindset leads to success. A limited mindset stops progress. So, control your mindset and your life will improve. So that's all, friends. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thank you.